rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh, man.
Dog, how are you doing?
Man, it's been a while.
Yeah, it's changed a little bit since you seen it.
Oh, yeah. What y'all done did?
So my box started coming apart and I started losing woofers, so I ripped all the woofers out. And last night I was like, you know what? I need something in here for the show.
Yeah, just to play.
It can't be disappointing. So
What you gonna do? You just gonna take it back out later and
everything's gonna get ripped out, and I'm gonna do a fourth order 12/15s again. But
I thought you're gonna take the whole thing out.
the whole box out, start over from scratch.
How difficult is that gonna be?
I don't know yet. I mean, I got the port out, so I'll probably just pop the camper shell off and just start breaking
Okay,
it
that's
down.
right. It is a camera shell, so it'll be easy. Yeah.
But I just kind of tossed the sand foam up, like, let's see what it does, just for.
It's nice looking though, for sure.
It's got the Wild 12s in there on a 4K right now, so
Yeah.
it's kind of seeing what it'll do.
Yeah.
You're about to get rustified.
Bitch, parry that motherfucker. Motherfucker tripping. I'm goddamn lying. See what's going on.
Just for throwing in some 12s?
Yeah.
I mean, they're still brand new, like,
They look brand new.
they got maybe an hour playtime yesterday.
You wouldn't even hear it just came on.
So I threw them in last night, picked the old lady up, ran to Home Depot, got some foam, and then foamed it. I'm like, okay.
Y'all drove it?
No, we trailered it over. But I'm like, all right, we're going to foam it now. If I do it now, it's cured by 6. I can't play till 11, so it gives it more time to harden. So hurry up and bang it out.
So you'll be all right. Yeah, man, it's good to see you, bro. What's the next show y'all going to?
And honestly, I'm not the person that I don't know.
I don't even know myself. I just wound it up here. I don't even know if I was coming out.
I knew this show I was going to, but I haven't really planned a year out because I didn't have anything in here. I'm like, well, I'm not going to take the truck. But hey, look, there's nothing back there.
Yeah, so just go ahead and roll with it.
I wanted to say I was going to Wake the Dead, but that weekend I've got a wedding that I'm in. So I don't think I'm gonna try and hit more local stuff this year.
Yeah.
But I don't think I'm gonna be able to have very many big shows.
Yeah, it's a lot of trailer in it. It's a lot.
Maybe Ruckus. Maybe
that's a good drive.
I might make it to Ruckus. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna have to see how it goes.
We got a good ways out, so you know. Yeah, so hopefully I figure out how to tow mine. Yeah, man. It's good seeing you, bro. Are you on social media? Let them know where they can find you at.
Yeah, if you want to check out the truck on social media, check me out at SweetLoaf_304 on TikTok. That's mainly where I post the truck at.
Okay, it's good seeing you, bro.
Good seeing you, bro.
Thank you, man.
Cool.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.